Price Finish. Today we're going to be making some fluffy slime. So I got the Elmer's Fluffy Slime Kit off of Amazon. I have not opened this yet, so let's open it now. And the only thing you need is glue and this activator, and there's another glue and activator, but we don't need that. We're just gonna need this, and that's all you really need. You only need the bowl, glue, and activator, and I need to go get a fork. And a fork! So yeah. So first, let's look at the I don't know what that was called. Pour Elmer's glue, the recipe to make this. Oh, it doesn't even have a thing on it. Okay. Well, let's pour some Elmer's glue right here. Haven't made slime. I don't think I've made slime in my life. I think I got slime. I don't think I've. Well, I have. Never mind. I'm lying. Yeah. Hey. You don't have to use a fork to mix it up, but I'm using a fork because that's the only plastic thing I have. I don't have a plastic. I'm trying to get all this glue out here. I want some slime, bro. Satisfying. So when people in videos making slime and it sounds like this, it's not like a voice thing. It's actually real. That's what it sounds like. Okay, y'all. I think that's all the glue that's gonna come out of here because honestly, it is not coming out at all. I think this is you have to get it in the kit. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show y'all the kit, and y'all can buy it off of Amazon or wherever, Prime. Now we can pour some. Add 3 teaspoons of Elmer's Fluffy Slime Activator. I don't know what's 2 teaspoons, so I mean 3. Mommy, I need your help. I need 3 teaspoons of activator, and I don't know what's 3 teaspoons.
There's 3 regular spoons.
I don't have a spoon.
Go get a spoon.
Oh, ah.
Honestly, let me see. I can eyeball it.
Actually, you know what? I have an idea. Grab me a spoon or something.
Look, I'm gonna show you what to do. You ain't gonna be exactly.
I'm just trying to follow directions.
So look here.
Oh, that's
1.
why does it look like that?
2.
Looks like a lotion.
3. It's gonna be that. That's it.
I'm gonna put some more.
Okay.
Just to make it a little bit more. That's probably the fluffy part. Yeah. So I just used the whole can. I don't know if this is gonna work with the whole can. Don't be like me. Okay, anyway, let's mix this together and hope this works. Hold on, why is it actually working? I feel like I'm gonna need more of this activator. Yeah, I'm gonna need more activator than just that. I haven't even stirred for 5 seconds and I'm I need more activator because it's not the fluffy texture that I need. Okay, let's okay, it smells like straight up glue right now. I think I put too many. Yeah, yeah, this is gonna take a while. It looks nasty. Why does it look like that? Ugh. Have to just mix it all together, and it's really not I don't like doing stuff like this. My hair is hurting. Y'all, it looks kind of slimy. It's definitely gonna be slime, so this is fluffy slime kit. So yeah, I might be adding food coloring, and the food coloring is definitely gonna be pink because that's my fave color, period. But we have no more pink. Oh, hold on, I can fill this up with hot water. I forgot. There you go. Let me just pour some of that out. And then you close it really tight. And then you shake it up. There you go. Actually, I'm not gonna like add that because that's gonna make the ruin the slime. I'm just gonna like use the ingredients. I'll just use that for different slime. I'll use it for. But I have the pink one. I should use the pink one then. Yo, this is not turning out. Like, I need somebody else to mix this for me because this is not. I don't like doing this. Let me grab something else to mix this. Like, this is just not working. Let me use y'all, you got the biggest spoon that I have. So let's put you like on the table right here. Give me back my access of slot. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this is a big spoon. And like the camera might not be that big, but this is like really big. I have to get all that activator mixed in. I need more glue. I need the whole thing of glue. I'm gonna be 13 by the time this thing comes out. Okay, there we go. You ugly glue. Like, bro. Man, you're taking forever to come out. I know you're old and everything, but you can come out a little bit faster. Okay, this thing is taking 100 years. Glitter glue. Okay, spoon, you better. Ooh, I got glue all over me. Well, good thing it's like gooey glue, so it doesn't stick to you as fast. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let me like firmly grasp it. Y'all might be like, why are you using it? Because it's sticky and I don't want my hands to be sticky. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's just wipe it off, Stop doing all that extra stuff. Bro, stir in the fluffy activator until it becomes harder to mix. Okay, so until it gets like really hard to mix, we have to stop. Until then, I'm just gonna keep mixing. It's kind of getting hard to mix now, but it still has like a lot of activator. I should have just listened to them. Yo, this has good reviews, I think. I don't think my mom would have bought it if it didn't have good reviews. Let me sit in this chair that I, like, you know, brought here for this video. Ooh. Sound and cream. Ooh, it's hard. It's hard to mix now. But it's not that hard, so. You have to get all that activator out. I put too much activator, not a lot of it. You know what? I have to sacrifice some of the pink glue for this. Just a little bit of it, not all of it. I know this is not the recipe, y'all, but I don't have time. So we're just gonna sacrifice some of you, not all of you. And boom. Still the same. Boom. We're good now. Okay, now let's start mixing it up. Okay. We got pink and blue sparkles in here, so that's a good thing. The fact that this thing is bigger than that whole glob is crazy. We still have more, like, bro. This thing just won't come out. It doesn't like us. Bruh, why are you taking 34 hours to come out of this tube? Like, dude, come on. I don't have all this time. I don't want to be 84. I'm not even going to want to play with slime no more. Literally, how long is it going to take for this little drop to drop down? Let me just, like, you know, wiggle it a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All of it's down here now, so that's a good thing. Looks like snot, kind of. The big glob is gonna, like, push the little glob down. I hope. Bruh. So let's just start mixing while this thing is taking 44 hours to come out. Yeah, it's definitely just not a problem, you know. Mama, I'm gonna need you to do this for me, because, like, please. Okay, I think that's enough glue. If I need more, I'll just keep it open. Can you mix this? It's kind of getting hard to mix. It's like blue cotton candy. A little bit. But this is the slime kit. It literally is for slime. It says it. I have to, like, chop down the particles of this fluffy slime activator. Whatever that even means. Let me just, like... Yeah, this gets more. You can get out of here, Big Spoon. Let me put you in a... Can you put this in the soup? I used it because it was hard. Okay. Let's stick back to this plastic fork, because this plastic fork is actually doing things. Hey, okay, so this is actually, use a plastic spoon or fork, because these utensils are not made for stuff like this. Okay, so, like, the activator is, like, literally almost all gone because of this guy. looks really pretty. I really want to play with it now, but you know, it's not time yet. I don't think. Is it? Said harder. What does harder mean? Like really hard to mix or something? Like, cause it's been harder. Like, I don't know. Okay, so this is what we got. I'm not done stirring, I don't think. I don't know when I'm supposed to stop stirring. It doesn't like tell us that, but it says until it gets harder. Like, what type of harder? Okay, so let's see if we can play with this now. Okay, we can definitely play with this. This is playable now. Can we though? That's all the questions. That's the only question I need to know. Can we? Well, it's not really like stretchy at all. It's kind of sticky. I don't, you know, this twisted really. It's really just like firmly I think we needed more activator. This is not really.
It should work with what you got.
Okay, well then. I mean, it's slime, but it's really sticky slime. I think I let it like sit there for too long while I wasn't mixing it, so that kind of, no. But it's definitely slime. Like, that's all I can say. It's definitely slime. Like, it's very sticky slime, but it's still, well, fluffy slime is supposed to be sticky, I think. Yeah, it is, so. Okay, I guess it's good. Y'all, it is not a fail, it is a slay. Bye-bye. See y'all in the next video.